Unraveling the Mysteries of the Universe. Insights about light, gravity, and the history of physics. In this episode, Dr. Alexander Unzicker, a German physicist, joins the host to discuss his work and share his thoughts on the fundamental understanding of the universe. They cover various topics, including the variable speed of light, the behavior of light and gravity, and the nature of empty space. Dr. Unzicker begins the discussion by raising interesting questions about the universe's very large and very small aspects, how light and gravity work, and what they tell us about the behavior of atoms. One of the main discussion topics is the variable speed of light and its history, including Einstein's original idea for it when developing general relativity. Dr. Unzicker explains that the speed of light is always the wavelength times the frequency, and the change in the speed of light is something that can only be observed indirectly. Einstein discarded the variable speed of light idea as it was just an error. However, his original idea of a lower speed of light in the vicinity of masses was correct, according to Unzicker. The discussion centers around the effect of gravitational forces on light and the additional pressures that cause it to lose energy. Light traveling through a homogeneous universe with no spatial variation experiences a change in speed which results in a change in frequency, but not wavelength. Observers on Earth see a redshift in the light from distant galaxies because, over time, the speed of light in the universe decreases, causing wavelengths to appear longer. The shrinking of atoms in wave tanks results from the decreasing speed of light in the universe over time. The Hubble redshift is explained by the variable speed of light and the assumption that the speed of light is influenced by masses in the universe. Another topic of discussion is the nature of empty space and the possibility of there being something even in empty space. The idea that empty space is not really empty, but may consist of vacuum fluctuations or some other influencing factor is explored. Dr. Unzicker also discusses Mauss' principle, which suggests that gravity has its reason in the presence of distant masses in the universe. The connection between Mauss' principle and the variable speed of light theory and the potential implications of Mauss' principle is discussed. The podcast episode also covers other topics, such as the accomplishments of Newton and Maxwell, the unification of optics and electrodynamics, and the complexities of quantum electrodynamics and renormalization, which Unzicker does not regard as very fruitful. See the full Demystify Science YouTube episode, published on Monday, February 20, 2023, hosted by scientists Dr. Shilo DeLay and Dr. Anastasia Bendebury.